Every time you look into a deep cave, you are looking at the Earth's long, slow digestive system, where water and time carve rock into strange beauty. These subterranean spaces are indifferent to our surface drama. They will outlast our tallest buildings and deepest minds. When humanity is gone, the caves will continue their slow, silent work. The wisdom of the cave is profound. The greatest work is achieved not through speed or power, but through immense, quiet patience over unimaginable time. Be patient like the stone.